dear students, I'm on page 31 and I'm going to demonstrate how to play two songs that are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So the first song is called Love Somebody, the second song is called A Friend Like You. Okay, so you're in G position and you are in 4/4 time, okay? Now, looking at the song and studying the song before you play it, you see that you start forte loudly, and when you're done with the song you have a repeat sign, and then it says in a red in the first bar, first time you play forte, that means through the whole song, second time you play through the whole song piano. Okay, now as usually you need to start working hands separately. Okay, so let's figure out the notes in the right hand. You are in G position, first note is G, first finger on G, and then you have skips up. G, B, D, D, A, B, C, G, B, D, D, C, B, A, G, B, D, D, A, B, C, B, B, A, G, G, G. Okay, now these are new notes. If it's difficult for you to identify the new notes, I'm going to play and name the finger numbers. 1, 3, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. That should be good enough. Okay, now what does your left hand do? Okay, you can go by finger numbers 1 and 2, that means D and C. And you have to play it as a second interval because these are harmonic intervals. So two notes at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, the interval is opening. First you have second interval, then you have to play the third interval and then the fourth interval, okay? Now in bar number 4, it's vice versa. You play the fourth interval, AD, then third interval, BD, and then the second interval, CD. Just follow the finger numbers and it will be very easy for you. Now in bar number 6, it's the same interval progression as in bar number 2. 1, 2, CD, 1, 3, BD, 1, 4, AD. Okay? In the very last bar, it is fingers 3 on B, 1 on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third interval, B and D. Now let's play two hands and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you take a repeat and play the same song again softly. All right. Now next song, A Friend Like You. Ooh, looking at the very first 3 notes, I realized that this is a pickup bar, just as you encountered in When the Saints Go Marching In. The first beat is missing because you are in 4/4 time, but you only have 3/4 notes. That means you count 1, but start playing on beat 2. Okay, 1. I will show how to play right hand separately first. Okay, you're in G position. Get your pinky ready. Say 1 and start playing on beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Tie. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Tie. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now quickly, finger numbers. 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold, 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 hold. Same. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold, 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 hold. 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 hold. All right. Done with the right hand. Now let's take a look at the left hand. What is the left hand doing? Oh, I see. It starts with the fifth interval. Finger 5 on G, finger 1 on D. And then the interval is shrinking and then expanding again, okay? Fifth interval, fourth interval, third interval, then fourth interval, new bar, fifth interval. Now, how do I know? I see that the top note, thumb on D, is the same 5 times. So just hold your thumb on D. I see that the bottom note switches from fifth finger to fourth finger to third finger, and then it goes down to fourth and to fifth. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm in bar number 3, which means, you remember, we never count an incomplete bar as a bar number 1. So bar number 1 starts where you have 2 hands playing at the same time. So this is bar number 1. Bar number 2 is the next. Bar number 3 is the last bar on a top system. Okay, on the top system, you have fingerings 4 and 1 for left hand. 1 is on D, 4 is on A. Fourth interval. Now keep the D on, thumb on D, don't move it. Now, the bottom fingers, go up. 3, 1 for the third interval, 2, 1 for the second interval, then you're going back. 3, 1, the third interval, new bar, 4, 1, the fourth interval. Okay, I'm going to play the same a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next 2 bars, exactly the same fingering, exactly the same intervals. Fourth, third, second, third, fourth. Or when you count the beats, it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the last bar, plus 1 beat to end it. It looks exactly like how you played in bars number 1 and 2. Fifth interval, fourth interval, third interval, fourth and fifth. And now playing and counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and the song is done. Okay? Now let's put hands together and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's it. You're done. Thank you. Enjoy practicing this song.